Write the first letter. Read the family words. Dash OT. What is the picture?
P.
Next. Second picture. Dash L.
P.
What is this picture? Second.
B.
Picture ఏంటి నాన్న?
Ball.
Very good. Next. Next.
Egg.
Dash. Third picture.
Cat.
Very good. Next. Dash GG. What is this picture?
Egg.
Very good. Circle the letter. Match the beginning sound of the object in the picture. First picture ఏంటి నాన్న? Okay. Circle it. First letter circle it. Next. Second picture. Third picture.
Monkey.
Very good. Fourth picture. Pan. Very good. Match the words to the correct. Next matching చూడండి. Picture to letter. What is this first picture?
Kite.
Match it. Match it. Mama matching. Rishi. Next second picture.
Lamb.
Third picture.
Rat.
Very good. Next. Seventh Roman చూడండి. నువ్వు వచ్చిన మ్యాచింగ్ చెయ్యి అమ్మ. కంప్లీటెడ్ మ్యాచింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ మిస్సింగ్ లెటర్స్ రాయండి. ఏ టు జెడ్. ఆఫ్టర్ మిస్సింగ్ తర్వాత సెకండ్. చెప్పద్దు ఎవరు. డోంట్ టాక్. రైట్ డౌన్ ఓన్లీ. All of you. Can. Pat. Pat. Sun. Net. Hut. Pot. Good. Next. And concept is this? Bag. Bag and book.
Lock. Key.
What is this?
Bat and ball. Lock and key. Bag. Book.
Good.
Chair. Chairs.
Good.
Books.
Very good. Mokshita, stand up. Can. Good. Net. Sun. Good. T. And concept. Good.
Bag and ball.
Good.
Chair.
Very good. Next, Hemavarshini, stand up. Ken, sun, bin, hut. Very good. And concept. Come, friend. Come.
Bag, book,
Bag and book.
lock, key. Bag, one, chair, one, chair. One chair, many chair. One book, many books.
Good. Go. Imad, come, friend. Come here. Ken.
See and done.
Go back.
Eat back. And eat nut.
Bin.
See and bin.
Sun.
As you and sun.
Okay. Concept. What is this?
Bag, book, lock and key. Bat and ball.
One and many concepts.
One chair, many chairs. One book, many.
Good. Devansh. Net. Spelling net.
And
Hut.
H-U-T hut.
Sun.
S-U and sun.
Pat.
P-A-T bat. C and gun.
And concept. What is this?
Bat and key and key. Bat and ball.
One and many concept.
One chair, many chairs. One book, many books.
Good. Mahalakshmi, come here. Sun spelling. Sun.
S-U-N.
Ken.
C-A-N.
Hut.
H-U-T hut.
Bin.
B-I-N bin.
Pat.
P-A-T bat.
Okay. And concept. What is this?
Book.
Bag.
Bag and book. Lock and key. Bat and ball.
Very good. One and many concept.
One chair, many chairs. Book, many books.
Very good.